ang aming brands from Riemann po. So we have here po the Insilderm brand, our signature skincare line. And then we also have our advanced skincare line, which is Radiant Sum 100. And also under this brand, meron po kaming cosmetics. So yan po. And then we have Botalab. Under Botalab po, we have two brands. We have the Certicola for hair care system and our Suamel for body care. And then here we have our skin supplements. We have Collagen X and also Deep Talk Plus po. So here is the probiotic. So as you can see po, ang dami, no? Dahil the company believes in holistic approach when it comes to skincare. Hindi lang po sa face, hindi lang po sa hair, hindi lang po yung sa body, kung hindi from beauty that comes from within. So yan po. Kaya nakakagulat po na meron palang ganitong kumpanya na lahat po targeted. And you know what? Hindi lang po itong mga brands na to ang nakakagulat. Pati din po itong kanilang mga ingredients. Two unique ingredients po. Unique dahil po meron siyang patent. They have patented these two ingredients for 20 years. So we have exclusivity on these ingredients. Kaya pwede po talaga nating i-claim that we have, the products that we have is really one of a kind, na nag-iisa lang po sa buong mundo. So we have here the giant biang pool or ang tinatawag na Asiatic pennywort, Centella asiatica, or tiger grass in Korea. Yan yung common name niya. Or here in the Philippines, they say it's called gotokola. So ano po yung kaibahan nito from the other gotokola? So ang kaibahan po nito is its size. Dahil po itong si Chairman An, like he studied this for 4 years and he innovated it. He discovered a strain and was able to create a new plant. Kaya po siya patented. A regular gotokola po or a regular tiger grass leaf is just the size of a 20 peso coin. But because of his innovation, lumaki po siya to a size of a palm. And hindi lang po yung size, kung hindi rin po the properties that goes with it. So the anti-inflammatory properties, the hydrating benefits, and the complete healing properties po grew 1,000 times more. That's why we have a new plant. Anciently po, this is called tiger grass dahil po they have observed that tigers, when they are injured, they look for this grass and they roll over it. And then after, they notice that the tigers receive complete skin recovery. So, ito po yung promise ng ating products. That dahil sa healing properties, we know that we can rejuvenate and we can really regenerate skin cells. Hindi lang po from the giant biang pool, but also with the help of the Jajalava energy water. So, nakakatuwa po dito is Chairman An is one out of the 6 who has been granted access to this water by the Korean government because this site is a UNESCO protected heritage site. This is the Mount Halasan volcano and underneath it may mga lava rocks po siya. So ano po yung ginagawa nitong lava rocks? So from the seawater po, this water goes through a natural filtration po underneath this volcano. And what happens is it cleans the water from its pathogens, bacteria, toxins, chemicals po from the sea. At hindi lang po yan na nalilinis, na nagiging stable, nagiging pure, nagiging clean, but it is also mineralized. So ano pong kagandahan nito when it's mineralized? Meaning it is full of life, energy. That's why ito po ang naging effect sa giant biang pool. Kasi ito pong tubig na to ang ginamit for farming the plant. So kaya po nakita natin na talagang effective po at may kakaibang angking galing ang tubig na to. So with all of this mga active ingredients plus the other vegan ingredients and the natural ingredients, ang isa pa pong unique from our products ay ito pong technology. We have the nanoliposomal technology that uses a microfluidizing machine that makes the ingredients, its particles into its nano size na sobrang liit po that it can penetrate the deepest part of our skin. So kung maiintindihan po ninyo, itong technology nito is pharmaceutical grade. Mga drugs ang gumagamit po nito para mas ma-reach po yung mga in the cellular level. So ano po ito, ano pong kahalagahan nito sa ating produkto? Ibig pong sabihin, lahat po ng mga active ingredients ng vegan, ng natural ingredients na meron tayo, it can reach the deepest part of the cells of our skin. Kaya po talagang may kakaibang effect po other than the products that we use. And we will show you the results later. So yan po. Here, the Riemann philosophy follows cleansing, hydrating, and protecting. And they have a complete line of product to follow this philosophy. So ito po yung kanilang mga products under their signature skin.
Miss Karen,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, pero ang nakikita namin sa screen namin is yung 3 technologies pa din. Yung Byung Pool, Energy Water, and Nanoliposomal.
Okay. Parang
So parang medyo behind
Teka.
yata kami ng...
Nag-change na ako.
Hindi pa nag-change.
Teka ha.
Opo.
Stop
Baka
share.
ibang window yung nakashare. Sorry, share na lang po siguro.
Sige, mag-reshare ako.
Okay lang yan, live po tayo. Ganyan po talaga kapag
Okay.
live.
So, nasa Riemann philosophy. Okay.
Yan, sige po.
Play.
Wala pa ulit
Ito, okay na to?
Wala pa nakashare po.
Wala pa nakashare. Wait.
Apo. So, share ka po ulit.
Mag-reshare ako.
So, si Miss Karen, kasi akala po natin, 18 years old lang siya, pero very, siya, medyo tinatry niya ang kanyang best to be very techy for us. Diba? Oh, ang ganda talaga ng face ni Miss Karen. Totoo yan. Diba? Parang akala natin, very bagets pa si Miss Karen, no? Pero, hindi natin alam, medyo nagsistruggle na rin siya sa technology natin kaya. Pero 'di ba, kita naman natin she's trying.
Oo. With the help of my daughter. So,
Yes.
yan, teka. Asan na nawala?
Akala ko nga kanina daughter ni Miss Karen yung nakasalang.
Nandito na tayo sa Riemann niya. Okay.
Yan.
Yan, nakita na.
Pa-full screen na lang po.
Full screen na lang. Play
Yes,
from
full screen.
current slide. Ayan.
Yun.
Okay.
Tama na
Thank you, Miss Blue. Ayan, ang laking tulong ng mga feedback. So, ayan. So, this is the Riemann philosophy po. This is the cleansing, hydrating, and protecting. So, ito po yung regimen that we need to follow to really get the results that we are seeking from our products. So, ito po yung complete line of the Insilderm Care. So, dito po makikita natin, this first 2 products po is our cleansing. So, we have the moisture cleansing oil, and naniniwala po kasi ang Korean, at talagang ang original Korean beauty believes in double cleansing. That's why we have this. So, dito pa lang sa moisture cleansing oil, ang ganda na ng mga vegan products nila. They have jojoba seed oil and black cumin seed oil, plus they already have stem cells here. And then it's followed with a cleansing powder wash na for exfoliation. And then ito po from Too Faced Oil Mist until dito po sa Dermatology Cream na makikita natin, ito po yung hydrating part. So kung makikita ninyo, mapapansin ninyo, parang ang dami naman po, which is the common comments po ng mga clients namin. Now, the explanation for this is that we believe in the layering of products. because the layering of products will trap in the moisture. Yan po. So we have the two-phase oil mist, very rich in vitamin C, and then the Calming Balance Gel, which boasts of its 24-karat gold and premium damask water. And then the Dermatology Booster and the Dermatology Serum is the Dermatology First Package. They come in two. So sa isang box po magkasama ito. But how we use it is that we use the booster, spray the booster, apply the serum, and seal it off with the booster. So this products contains NMN, giant leaf extract, and also Jejulava energy water. And they are good for DNA repair. So ito po yung talagang kailangan ng skin natin para magkaroon ng rebirth of new skin cells. And then also we have the Dermatology Cream, which also shares the same things as the Dermatology Booster but plus the exosomes. Yan po. So after that, the hydrating, we now go with our sun protection. So here po, even in our Aqua Protection Sun Gel, we have patented ingredients po dito. And one good thing about this, kahit na po ilang pahid yung ilagay ninyo, I noticed, hindi po siya, it doesn't have a white cast. Yan po yung kagandahan sa sunscreen na ito. And then we also have other functional items like the multi-stick balm, which has giant biangpul leaf oil and is very good for dry skin. So kung meron kayong extra dry areas, you can just apply it, and even sa lips ninyo, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. And now we have the collagen melting mask. Ito po yung mask na nakita kong nag-melt po talaga sa mukha ninyo. That ang mga dating ginagamit natin o ginagamit ko, I put it on and throw it off after. Dito po, you don't need to throw anything kasi po, it will be absorbed by the skin because the collagen here is made, it's 100% marine collagen, and the fibers is 40 times smaller than our pores. So yan po yung nakaka-excite na masubukan ninyo para sa inyong balat. Dahil kung ito ay masusubukan ninyo, ito po yung mga resulta. Like here, sino may problema sa age spots? Meron pong solusyon. Ito po. Ito po, makikita ninyo na age spots is reduced significantly. Sino may problema sa fine lines? Ito po, makikita natin ang fine lines after consistent use, nawala. Sino may problema sa melasma? Nakita niyo po na yung mga talagang dark spots dito, nawala. After ilang use, makakakita na kayo ng effects. Dito, look at the skin, the texture, nag-brighten. Here, nakita niyo yung flat cheeks, naging plump because of the promise of its hydration. Here, the puffiness of the face. So, hindi po reason na dahil matanda na tayo, ganito na talaga yung balat natin. No. Ang balat natin, kahit anong age, if it's nourished, it can improve. Yan. Pwede nating ma-achieve yung mga skin goals natin. Eye bag, sino pong may problema? Meron din pong kasagutan yan. As you can see in this testimonials, picture testimonials. Dark under eye circles. Nakita naman natin na nawala. So yan po ang mga resulta ng mga gumamit ng product. And here are our Filipino testimonials. Wala pa po ang product sa Philippines. Yes, we got our orders from Hong Kong. Ganun po kami ka-passionate na masubukan yung product. Hindi na po kami nag-antay. Kasi gusto namin magkaroon na rin kami ng sarili naming Reman experience. Tulad po dito ni Coach Carlo. Sa mga nakakakilala po kay Coach Carlo, sobrang ganda na po ng balat ni Coach Carlo. Wala po siyang problema. Pero kahit pala wala ka ng problema sa skin, meron pa rin igaganda ang balat niyo. Okay? So itong products natin for the bad, for the good, and the best skin, meron pa ring improvement. That's Riman. Here, I've heard itong nag-share nito, parang after one use, nakakitaan na kagad ng luminosity. Look at the eye bags. Look at the dark spots. So 'di ba kung ako na nakakakita niyan, nung nakita ko pa lang yung mga experiences ng mga from the US, talagang I really wanted to try the product, to see it for myself. So that's why eto naman po yung talagang experience namin. So ako, this is my arm. So I applied Vaseline lotion, and instantly nag-react yung skin ko. Naiwan siguro sa kotse na initan. So pag-apply ko, ayan, redness, itchiness, and also pamamantal. So yan po. So I applied dalawang products lang po. Kasi parati kaming meron sa sasakyan eh. Just in case na kailangan mag-demo. So I grabbed two face oil mist and calming balance gel. When I applied it, after 5 minutes, nakita ninyo, it dissipated, the redness gone, the itchiness instantaneously nawala. And after 10 minutes, eto na po, bumalik na yung aking normal na balat. So dito, I proved to myself, grabe yung anti-inflammatory nito. Just for the two products alone. Here naman po, personal experience din, this is my daughter. Nakikita nyo po na namamaga ang kanyang pisngi at nakikita nyo po na yung pimples niya galit na galit. So I asked her to please try this product kasi meron na po siyang ginagamit. So to convince her, sabi ko, sige, I'll take a picture of it. I want to convince her na effective talaga yung product. So she completed the whole line until the sunscreen, and then umalis kami, and when we came back 6 p.m. hindi pa po siya nagsi-second wash nito. I took a picture again. So nakita niyo naman na wala yung pamamaga at nakita ninyo ang mga pimples parang natulog. At ngayon, so consistently niyang ginagamit, and syempre it's a process. It's not a magic cream. Pero she is now happy with her skin. Kasi kahit may mga pimple pa na lumalabas, iba yung healthy looking skin. Yun yung kanyang testimonial about the product. So here naman po, yeah, we have shown that. Here po, we have the scalp psoriasis po. Ito po yung sa Botalaba. Ito po yung testimonial sa mga gumamit. For the hair care system. After one wash lang po, you can see nawala yung flakiness, dryness, and inflammation, pati redness. And also receding hairline. Nakita nyo that the hair grew thicker, denser, very significantly. So, we believe na effective talaga ang products. Ako dahil they have clinical studies. They can really say how many percent po yung effect after using the product. And they have a third-party testing body. Hindi lang po from the laboratories itself. At dito naman po yung ating body care. Nakita nyo na gumanda po yung balat after 2 months of use. Napakahalaga po ng balat natin because ito pong balat natin ang pinakamalaking organ sa ating katawan at ito po ang first line of defense from contaminants and pollutants. So the integrity of our skin is really very important. Lalo na if we have ang tawag dito mga sakit like diabetes na kailangan talagang protected, moisturized ang skin para hindi kaagad nagkakasugat. So yan po. So dito naman, I'd like to show you yung ating 3-minute video which is 800,000 US dollars worth. At ipinapakita po dito ang Ask Laboratories owned by Chairman Ann at it is showing how they are harvesting the leaf water and how they are farming the tiger grass, and dito rin pinapakita how they are extracting yung Jeju lava water from the deepest part of the area in Jeju, and how they are very meticulous when they are preparing and studying. So ito po yung kagandahan dito sa kumpanya na to. We have our own laboratory and we make innovations. For the chairman and to say, I have 100-year vision, it means that he will continually innovate po at hindi mahuhuli ang ating mga produkto when it comes to skincare. So I'm really happy to be a product ambassador for this, and I'm very proud na to be part of Reman and enjoy Reman experience.